What is up, guys? Time for another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And the winner from yesterday's book giveaway is right here. Congrats to you. Uh-oh, the focus. There we go. Make sure you email me your address and I'll get that book to you right away. For those of you wondering, how I actually ship these books, it's not like I have these books and I ship them out. I get them off of Amazon and I have them shipped to your address. So for today's book giveaway, I'm making it a little bit different. I'm gonna be giving away any book you want, whether it's a business book, a novel, I don't care what it is. You choose the book that you want delivered to your house and drop a comment with the book you want and a video idea from my channel. So if I pick your video idea and turn it into a reality, then you are the winner. I will ship that book directly to your house. So if you want to win, all you have to do is drop a like on this video and drop a comment. But anyways, guys, here we go. I got the new license plate. This wasn't one of the options when I first asked about it, driven. So, a lot of people don't like it so far, but at the same time, a lot of people do like it. But the reason I got it is, it has two reasons. One, I drive my car a ton compared to other people that own Porsches and stuff. Like, I drive this thing every single day, a lot. And also driven as in motivated, like I'm motivated to, build my businesses and that kind of stuff. But today I had some haters. So I was coming back from training, working out, and I was on the highway and some guy was in front of me, like a little crappy old Honda something, looked like from the 1800s. But anyways, he poked his head out of his window and spit out, and then the spit flew all over the front of my car while we're on the highway. People do that kind of stuff just for no reason, just because they can, whether they're jealous, oh, this little kid driving this car, whatever. This car is not the nicest thing in the world. I mean, it's a decent car, but I'm not gonna complain about it. There's no complaints about it at all, but I'm just saying, compared to other people, my mom over there, she drives, what is that, a Honda Accord, Honda Civic, I don't know what it is. That happened, and then I go to the gas station to fill up, and this guy in this big diesel truck, big country guy, I live out in the country, as you can see. So I was at the gas station, and then this guy comes up behind me, I'm getting gas, and he just floors his truck, black smoke everywhere, all over me, all over my car. It's just stupid stuff that annoys me when people are jealous or whatever. I don't know what his intentions were. And then after that, I was leaving the gas station, I pulled out, and this Honda Civic, another really old Honda, pulled up, and they have those things, the muffler delete or whatever they do, where it sounds like a straight lawnmower, and it sounds so annoying. It's super loud, but it's so annoying. And he comes up beside me and just stops and starts revving it, and it's oh my God, why are you even doing this? What is your purpose of doing this? This makes no sense. So people annoy me lately. So in today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys exactly what my schedule looks like on a weekday. So most people, they go to work from 9 to 5, but for me, I'm still in school. So a lot of people ask me this, they're like, hey, what does your schedule look like as a young entrepreneur who's still in school? So this is gonna be a basic breakdown of what I do. So let's get into it. First things first, I wake up about 7 o'clock in the morning, a little bit earlier. My school starts at 7:45, and I live sort of close to the school, so it's not too bad, having to wake up and stuff. So I have a little bit of time. So I wake up, hop in the shower, I eat breakfast if I have time. Most of the time I don't have time, and I just go ahead and leave and go to school. And about this time, I'm just completely dead, I'm still half asleep. I drive my Jeep over to school, and I'm stuck there for 7 hours, from 7:45 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I'm stuck there all day, sitting in class on my phone, responding to DMs, answering emails. There's certain aspects of my businesses that I can run within school that are on my phone, but a lot of teachers don't like you to be on your phone in class, so it sort of sucks because I go to a somewhat small school. That's the majority of my weekdays is school. I'm stuck there for 7 hours a day. That's why I really want to get into online school, so I have the time to, get my schoolwork done faster, and then, have a lot more time to work on my businesses. I'm able to focus more and that kind of stuff, because in class, I just can't focus. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I'm always thinking about some other way I can make money, or something else that's going on other than math or whatever the teacher's talking about. My attention span just, I can't pay attention to something that I'm not interested in. So class, it sort of sucks, 7 hours a day, That's a lot of time that I could be making a lot more money, meeting a lot more people, traveling. I'm stuck here in North Carolina. I could be traveling if I did online school and still get all of it done. So then I get back from school, I come home, and then immediately I leave to go to personal training, go work out. Gotta get the summer body ready, of course. So I go do that, I work out for an hour. I get home around 5 o'clock, and then I get straight into business. I usually eat dinner real quick, that doesn't take too much time. And I get right into whether I have a meeting on a phone where I have to call some people, figure some stuff out for a business thing since I've been gone all day, or I have to go somewhere and meet someone, whether it's my accountant, I have to go take my car to somewhere, or you know, all kinds of stuff can pop up, and I have meetings all the time where I'm trying to meet new people, make new connections. And also I spend a lot of time trying to, you know, think of YouTube video ideas, putting them together and making them actually quality content. And then, you know, most of my time probably consists of on Instagram, responding to people, looking at other people's content, seeing what other people are doing, how I can make my content better, you know, as a personal brand in whole, not just my Instagram. You know, I watch other business people's YouTube videos to see how I can make mine better, what they're doing that I like, what they're doing that I don't like, all that kind of stuff, so I can build myself up in my personal brand. So I'm always thinking of other ways to build my brand, make money, and help other people. So my main goal with my YouTube channel is to help other people gain knowledge, and you know, a lot of people appreciate that, and that's what I like. I'm glad I was able to do that and help a lot of people make money. So, you know, the majority of my people that watch my videos probably aren't gonna make money just because they don't have the determination to go and actually do something, put their mind to it, and get it all done. I get home at 5 o'clock from all my stuff, and you know, that's usually when people get off of work. That's when I start work, and I grind until probably 1, 2 a.m. usually every single night, and I just repeat that through the weekdays. And the weekends I'll sleep in a little bit, and you know, but I still grind all day. You know, if you really want something, you have to go and spend a lot of time on it. So that's what I do. I have a ton of things that I'm doing right now that I'm probably not gonna mention, just because they're sort of in the back end of things, and I would rather wait until it actually happens to let you guys know, because there's tons of cool stuff coming with people that you actually know, other entrepreneur YouTubers that you watch and stuff like that. We're working on other things. So stay on the lookout for that kind of stuff. I'm working on a lot of exciting things, and I'm really excited to, you know, provide that content for you guys, get everything set up. But really, that is my schedule. I know it sounds boring, but a lot of people actually ask me like, hey, what does your daily schedule look like? That is my schedule, super basic. I wake up, I go to school for 7 hours, I go to training, I come home, I eat dinner, and then I work for like 7 hours. Or no, more than that, 9 hours. I spend a lot of time working. So yeah, guys, that is my schedule. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.